2, 1.
We're on a race car. Lock it down.
Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low. They're wrecking.
That was close.
Green checkers. Nice job. Woo! How about that, boys?
ISM Raceway, everything on the line. The seats are sold out.
6 drivers racing for 2 spots in the championship Ford.
Everybody knows what's at stake today. We're going to be aggressive.
This day's to live for.
Deposit is over. Today we withdraw and we take. Put the pressure on.
Now the last chance.
Ready.
Green flags up.
Green flag.
We are underway.
Brake man.
Switch on. Look at her temper plate.
Right rear, a little pissed. I gotta cool it off.
I need rear longevity.
Denny Hamlin controls this race.
He will see the green and white checkered flag.
Phase 1 winner, Denny Hamlin.
Denny Hamlin, the race leader from the outside lane. He jumps back on the loud pedal.
One inside, outside, your middle.
Just the 9 now if you can get to him.
3 wide, top lane gonna come now,
Joey Logano on the outside off of turn number 2.
It's jerking so bad, I can't restart.
And from where it lies, go get him.
Chase Elliott, Denny Hamlin, stage 2 winding down.
He rolled the goo down here and got a pretty good run down the front stretch.
Now Denny to the bottom.
Clear.
Just take it.
Traffic coming up ahead. The black one will be the slow one.
Oh, more contact. Oh, that car.
Coming green checker.
Joey Logano picking up the stage win.
Hell of a job. Good job there.
You can adjust and fix the entry, though.
Kind of wonder if that's what made me tight.
Green flag in the air. Denny Hamlin spins the tires on the restart.
Trying to put your back middle. Your middle. 2 bottom with the 9 on the very top.
Hamlin back to the inside of Elliott for second.
Attaboy. Go get the 22.
Oh, God, we're in the wall.
Trouble in turn 1. It is Chase Elliott.
Got it right rear.
The day is done for Chase Elliott.
That 11's been absolutely terrible on restarts.
Wish I could get better restarts for you, man. I promise you I'm trying.
Don't overthink it. Take a strategy and attack it.
1:39 to go. Logano, Hamlin up front.
Trying to look inside there. He is there. Bumper. Nice and smooth set sail here.
New leader, the 11.
Denny Hamlin right now just driving away.
I don't know what the hell happened to this thing, but it don't hurt.
22's P11. It's not worth tearing it up.
I don't want that 22 to get loud.
Like a 4.5 tank here.
There's Denny Hamlin lapping Joey Logano.
Leader's about 3/4 straightaway behind.
P11?
Sticking up the show right now.
That 20 is running 8. The more cars I get a lap down, the easier my decision is if we get a caution.
Put that one in the wall in turn 1.
Caution on the speedway.
What is the caution for?
They're both front rows, blue right front on the same lap.
Nobody can afford to make a mistake now.
I think it's Jack. Turn in right here.
Put it on the side. 4 tires.
Denny Hamlin is going to be a 2-tire stop. I wish they're going to go for 4.
12 also took 2. Are you having fun yet?
I'm about to.
Green flag goes in the air. 3 laps to go in Phoenix.
On the apron. Inside middle 3. Still 3 bottom. 2 with the 12. He's behind you tight. All clear.
Race leader Denny Hamlin.
White flag 1 more. Do not overdrive.
Wouldn't go. Hard.
I could average a 3 started on the top.
DF8. Hell yeah, guys. We're going to Homestead.
Across the line goes Denny Hamlin.
Where do you want to go in next?
This week is the exact reason why we won this. All your hard work. Thank you so much, guys.
Denny Hamlin scores the win. Let the celebration begin.